Ang ganda ng bumaba. Oh. How are you? Vice, welcome po sa Admiral.
Hindi ko na alam kung umaga, hapon.
Basta yun na yun. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Joshua.
Atrás que bos atrás que
Ganda ng buwan mo.
sir, atrás tayo nakikita nila atrás tayo
Ayoko talaga. Ayoko na. Wow, ganda ng liwanag.
Early in the Philippines, we washed and we're one, I think, on the hotels, the last hotels who are going to do the tree lighting. So thank you for taking your time to come here. I'd also like to thank my department heads, my executive committee, our kitchen team, our engineering team, the housekeeping team, and everybody who put the effort for tonight and every day to make the hotel what it is. Thank you again. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Somebody who has been a long champion of community and the Filipino spirit.
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Hapon, sabi niya ni Ms. Taylor at 10 ng ating mga kasamahan dito sa hotel, ang ating Vice Mayor, ang ating puro magaganda yung mga nasa kaliwat na sa kanan mo. Swerte talaga pag napapalibutan ka ng magaganda. Kasi maganda yung syudad ng Maynila. Mr. Babechi, Vice Chief, at ang ating host maganda rin, ating General Manager maganda rin. Lahat maganda talaga sa Maynila. Magandang sunset. Look at that behind me, the famous sunset of Manila Bay. At napakagandang Admiral Hotel. Despite of all the challenges that we are facing economically and uncertainty in some other things happening in the national government, but we must continue to strive better, to survive, and hopefully, in the case of City of Manila, if I may share to those, to our guests, tamang-tama, mabilis lang pang English ko, mauubos na to. The City of Manila is enjoying growth the past 4 months with regard to new businesses being registered officially in the city, on top of what we call underground economy, growing in the likes of Kampa, Boulder, Zero, o mas kilala ng millennials na Fusion Alley, the same thing in Tondo, the same thing in Roseros, the same thing in Esplanade. There are so many things happening in the city of Manila nowadays, and I think we're going to be very busy and continue to invest in the Cala, Ross Boulevard, Top Avenue to Vito Cruz, or what we call Ermita Malate. More to come in the city, and we would like to welcome you on behalf of the people of Manila. Sa lahat ng aming guests, we'd like to welcome you to the city of Manila. Sabi nga ng kanta, welcome po kayo sa Manila. Now, I'm here to support businesses in the city, and I'm very excited. I think ito na yung pinakamahal na Christmas ng Ilawan ko. Itong taon na ito. Napakaganda eh. And it's very seldom nowadays that kapis is being used. As you all know, I started doing kapis in my first work. Putting up what you call kumukulit-kulitan concept. The night time of the city. I'm happy to see one again, especially in this beautiful hotel. So today, Admiral Hotel family, rest assured that we have a city government behind you all the way. Muli, sa lahat ng aming bisita, sa mga panyaga, Merry Christmas, mga kababayan namin, maligayang Pasko, may awa ang Diyos, there will be a better new year for each and every one of us in 2026. Magandang gabi, malayo naman.